Bismillah. So now we are going to take the rice. So as I'm gonna take 1 kg chicken, so the ratio would be 1 kilo rice. So here I'm taking 1 kilo Pakistani Basmati rice. I like these rice, its taste is amazing. And now I'm gonna wash it to take out all the starch. That won't be good, like, you know, to cook your rice. So I'm gonna wash it and leave it for 15 minutes to soak. So now we are going to wash the rice like this. You can wash it. And you see, like, you know, all the starch is, like, you know, just dissolving in the water. And we will rinse it after that. One more time, should be all right, and then we will leave it to soak. Just for 15 minutes you can soak it, and then I will let you know what to do with this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we are going to crush the spices, as some people don't like the whole spices, and if you crush in mortar or with pestle, the taste would be amazing. Now we will crush black pepper first. Bismillah. So it won't take long to crush it if you have a right mortar and pestle. So it's gonna take a second. So as you can see, it's already been crushed. So we'll take it out and we'll crush the another one. Now we will put cumin to crush. So it doesn't take too much time, and you get the amazing taste in your food. You don't have to make a powder. Yeah, just crush it. So it gives you a better taste. This should be enough. Now we will crush cinnamon. it should be enough. Now we will crush one black big cardamom. So it should be enough. We don't have to make a powder out of it, so one big black cardamom should be enough. So let's see what we need to make chicken pulao. This is 1 kg chicken. These wings, like had a skin on it, so I just put it on the flame to clean it, like the small hairs, and it gives a little bit smoky taste in the pulao. So here we see, like this is crushed green chili, and this is garlic, this is julienne ginger, this is crushed ginger, and this one is fresh coriander. And here we can see it's almost like 1 teaspoon black pepper, and this one is cinnamon, like you can say, like quarter to teaspoon cinnamon, and these 2 pinches cardamom, and these cumin, crushed cumin, as you saw, like we were crushing this cumin into the mortar. So all these spices we have crushed by ourselves to give a little good taste, amazing taste into the pulao. And this one is coriander powder, and this one is black big cardamom, and this one is clove powder. Like you can see, like it might be quarter to teaspoon. So let's see how we're gonna prepare the chicken pulao. So I'll show you. So now we are going to add 200 ml oil. Bismillah. So now we will add the onion. It's about like 2 medium-sized onion chopped. So let the oil little bit heat up. Then you can put your onion into it. And just make it little saute, and just saute onion until it gets light brown. So as you can see, it's getting light brown. Now we will add 1 tablespoon garlic and 1 tablespoon ginger, and this crushed chili, it's 1 tablespoon as well. And we will saute. We will saute it like for 30 seconds. Now we can add the spices. and 1 tablespoon one and 2 tablespoon pink salt. It's salt to taste, like how much you use it. You must know, like how much you wanna put into it. And then we can add this julienne ginger as well. Now I'm gonna add this chicken. And I will cook it, like for 5 minutes. Onto the high flame until it gets a little bit harder and change its color. Now I'm going to add the tomato puree, which I've made by myself. I will share the recipe next time. And then I'm going to add the yogurt as well. And just cook it like for another 4 minutes. As you can see, it's already 5 minutes and chicken looks like a little bit harder as well. And now we're gonna add some water. Now I'm gonna add water. And just give it like another 10 minutes, and then we will add the rice. Now I'm gonna add the fresh coriander. And I will add the rice as well. And I will just stir it a little bit. Don't stir it like too many times, otherwise your rice will be broken. So I will give it another like 3 to 5 minutes until the water gets dry, and then we will put it on steam. Like I will put some sort of plate on top of it so steam doesn't go out, and I will put some sort of weight on top of the plate as well. So I'm gonna show you later. So just give it another like 3 to 5 minutes. As you can see, the water is like almost dried. So what I'm gonna do, I've already put it hot plate underneath this pot. So I'm gonna put it on like steam. So I'm gonna put some weight on top of it as well, so the steam doesn't go out. So it's called as like dum as well. We call it dum. So just give it like, you know, on low flame about 20 minutes and it should be all right, and then we will open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you can see, these are ready. And now we're gonna dish it out. Bismillah. As you can see, how tender is the chicken, you see. Let's try it and let you know how good it is. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wow, amazing taste, really good. I would suggest please try this recipe and let me know how it was. And tell you one more thing, all rices take different water, so you have to know about it, like how much water you're going to give your rice, whatever you use. So just make sure, like, you know. So now, believe me, I can't stop myself. I just want to eat it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, HTV7. See you next time. Thank you. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe HTV7.